Hi, in this tutorial I am going to tell about Maya Scalp Deformer. Take a polygon cube, increase the subdivision wide height and depth of the cube. Also increase the subdivision wide height and depth. Move it up. Press F to focus in. Now go to modify, freeze transformation. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Move it here. Press H to hide it. Select this one. Now go to create NURBS primitives. Take a NURB sphere. Press X-ray icon to turn on see-through option. See. Move this one up. Increase the radius of the NURB sphere. Move this one down. Put it here. Now turn off the X-ray mode. Select this one. First select this one. Shift select the NURB sphere. Turn on see-through option. This will show you clearly. First select the polygon cube. Shift select the NURB sphere. Go to deform. Click open scalp deformer option. Edit, reset the setting. Click create. This will create a scalp deformer. See, this is a scalp deformer. Open attribute editor. Select scalp 1 from the outliner. Now scale the scalp deformer. First turn off the X-ray mode. Scale the scalp deformer and see the effect. See. Again turn on X-ray mode and see the effect. Turn off the X-ray mode. Move the NURBS sphere here and see the effect. Now click here, isolate, select object. Ctrl G to undo. Select the NURB sphere. Click isolate, select. See. Go to vertex selection mode. Select this vertex. Turn off the isolate select. Ctrl G to undo. Turn on the isolate select. Vertex selection mode. Turn off the isolate select. Select the sculptor. Move it here. See the scalp deformer effect. Move this one here. This side will go in vertex selection mode. Isolate select, select the nerve circle, nerve sphere. Isolate select, vertex selection mode, select this vertex. Turn off isolate selected off. Sculptor, again scale, move this one here, Ctrl G to undo. Object mode, move this one here and scale and see the effect. Now you can do the same thing for 2 polygon object. Select all, press delete, unhide the polycube 2. Now take a sphere, polygon sphere, turn on X-ray mode, decrease the polycube size, move it down, select the polygon sphere, move it up, press F to focus or zoom in, turn off the, first select the polygon cube, shift select the polygon sphere, or control select the polygon sphere from the outliner, go to deform, click scalp deformer, move the deformer and see the effect. See, scalp deformer also work for 2 polygon object. Ctrl G to undo. You can scale it. Turn off the X-ray mode to see the effect clearly. See, the effect of scalp deformer. Ctrl G to undo. Scale this one. Move up and down and see the effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.